Let's dig into a Windows 11 feature that could save you from a huge headache.
It's the worst when your PC won't boot, right? Well, Windows 11 actually has a new fix for this.
It's called Quick Machine Recovery, or QMR. Basically, it fixes boot failures for you. No troubleshooting needed.
So how does it work? It grabs fixes from the cloud and just automates the whole recovery process.
All right, part 1. Let's walk through how you can actually turn this thing on.
First things first, open up your settings. Then, just head over to System and click on Recovery.
Okay, once you're in the recovery menu, you'll spot the Quick Machine Recovery setting. Pretty easy.
Just flip that main toggle to switch it on. That enables the core feature right there.
And for the full automated magic, make sure you also enable Automatically Check for Solutions. All right, part 2. Now that it's on, how do you know it works? Let's test it safely.
Now, this test is totally safe. It won't break anything, but hey, it never hurts to back up first.
Okay, first step, you're going to need to open Command Prompt as an administrator to run these commands.
This first command here puts Windows into a special test mode. It's perfectly safe, don't worry. And this next command, it just tells your PC to boot into recovery the next time you restart.
All right, now all you have to do is reboot your computer. The test should kick in automatically.
So, did it work? The easiest way to check is by looking at your update history after it reboots.
Just head to Settings, then Windows Update. In your history, you should see the successful remediation listed.
So what's the big deal? Well, you get a PC that's way more resilient and can actually fix itself.
This whole self-healing thing is a pretty clear direction for Windows. It leaves you wondering, right?